So in the software, we provide warnings if the safe working pressure of a pipe is exceeded. So in this example here, we can see we've got 108 mil copper pipe, the safe working pressure of 20.4 bar. So in the catalog here, for all the different pipe materials we have, we'll use this one for an example. You can see all the safe working pressures nominated here. So that's where the 20.4 comes from. So because there's more pressure than that in the system, that pipe is likely to fail, and therefore we provide a warning. To overcome the warning, there's a few different options. I suppose the simplest one is just to choose a different pipe material. So if we came back now to the looked at a stainless steel pipe of a similar diameter, you can see the safe working pressure is much higher with this material. So what that means is we can come to the flow system settings for cold water, and we could say we want to change that copper pipe to stainless steel. And then if we save that and come back to the project, those warnings disappear now because the pressure does not exceed. If you didn't want to change the pipe material, a few other options are in the plumbing workspace, you could add a pressure reducing valve. That would, of course, fix the problem downstream, but upstream you might still need to consider a new material. As well, you can look at things like the pump duty. So that's at 25 bar. The safe working pressure of the pipe was 20.4. So if you were able to reduce the pump pressure, that would also help. And then if you are surprised at why you're getting the warning, usually it's because there's been a certain pressure input or a height inputted incorrectly. So for example, sometimes people might have the height of the flow source. So you can see here the height is 1 meter below the ground. Some people accidentally type that in incorrectly. So if you've got your flow source, say 1,000 meters above your building, then that's going to pick up a lot of pressure and give the warning. So I'd always just recommend to look at the heights of the floors, of the flow source, and also the pump duties as well. And yeah, that should fix your problem.